Now next here we have to deal with the reason for connecting the fuse in the live wire. See, here two diagrams are given. This first one and this is the second one. Okay. So here you can see in this diagram there is our mains switch or main circuit board. Then from there a fuse is connected, and or we can say that fuse is connected in the live wire, and then that live wire is moving or reaching the appliance. Clear? Then comparatively you see here from the mains the live wire is moving to the appliance, and from the appliance the neutral wire is moving back to the mains, and in the neutral wire the fuse is connected. So what we have to study here is we should connect the fuse in live wire. Why so? We'll understand the reason. See, here if suppose any short circuiting occurs, if there is any fault in our circuit, what will happen? A heavy current will flow in the circuit. When a heavy current will flow, there will be heating produced, and because of the heating effect this fuse wire will melt. Now since the fuse wire has melted, you can see here this fuse wire has melted, the circuit is broken. Now no more current will flow in the circuit, and if any person touches this appliance, he or she may be prevented from the shock. Why? Because the current is not coming from the live wire as the circuit is broken here. Clear? Then comparatively we can see here the fuse is connected in the neutral wire. Now suppose if there is any short circuiting or some other phenomenon due to which a heavy current is flowing in the live wire, what will happen? It will flow through the live wire, it will reach the appliance, and then it will come back through the neutral wire and reach the fuse. The fuse will melt away. The current will not flow in the circuit, but here it will not help us or prevent us from shocks. Why? Because still you can see the live wire is connected to the mains control. Okay, from the mains board the live wire is connected to the appliance, and if still from the mains a heavy current is coming to the appliance, and if we touch the appliance then we can get a fatal shock. So therefore, to prevent us from any fatal shock, the fuse should always be connected in the live wire and not in the neutral wire. Therefore, whenever you try to define fuse, you must write a term that fuse is a safety device.